Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to AI Fridays with YK. This is week two. Week two, we're going to be breaking down the three different types of AIs. But before we do that, make sure you hit that like or subscribe button, just so you can make sure you get updates on different tech talks that I will be having. So let's get into it. The three different types of AI. So I know people are talking about like, what's AI, what's this, and you hear about it. So let's break down what AI is in the simple terms. AI pretty much uses data to make decisions, almost kind of like a human brain. It just uses the data that you feed it. So it's almost kind of, I ain't gonna say almost, it is important on what you are feeding whatever AI tool you're using. But just to break it down in the simple form, like I said, because this is for the people. AI is, it uses data to break down or to make decisions. That's it. So the first AI level we're going to talk about is narrow AI. And narrow AI is pretty much the AI tools we use today, like your Siri, your Google Maps, your ChatGPT, anything where it's almost a one-dimensional thing, where you pretty much are feeding it the data, and without you feeding it the data, it can't make decisions. It doesn't make decisions on its own. And that's called narrow AI. So the next AI level is called general AI. This AI, it can learn and it can process across any board, just kind of like a human brain, really like a human brain. That's how they classify it as. Do they have any robots or anything that's doing this right now? They say no, but we know. But this is the next classification. It is called general AI. So the next AI classification is super AI. And this type of AI surpasses the human brain. Really, that's why they call it super AI. It's way beyond the limits. They say they don't have anything like this, and we're not working on anything like this. They have a classification for it. But this is the one people are really kind of afraid about, scared about, in my research and what I've known about AI, and the person I learned this AI from. We are not there yet to make a super AI, but unfortunately, there are people who want to make this and want to see this happen. But it's not going to happen. I don't see it happening no time soon, so there's still nothing to be scared of with this AI. So understand, most of the things we see today is just narrow AI. There's nothing to be scared of. There's no AI about to come and take over and cause havoc or anything like that. We ain't there, so you are good. Hopefully these classifications help you understand a little bit more and help you be a little bit more knowledgeable about AI. Remember, we have narrow, we have general, and we have super. And those three classifications are the three levels of AI. As I said, we are just using narrow AI. That's where we are at in the society. That's where we are. There are some people working on the general, but they got to get to the general before they get to the super. So that's why I say there's nothing to worry about. There's no need to panic, anything like that. And so that's it for this week. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Tune in next week where we're going to discuss how people are making money using AI. And I know that's an episode you do not want to miss. We want to break it down. Again, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you share. Drop comments if you want me to talk about something. Or got a topic you want to throw out there. Or got any, rebuttals to what I said, Who knows, man? So Again, thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Always put God first. I do. And everything will fall into place.